Today we make a video to show you the new model, the mini model Confetti paper machine, and this is the old model. You can see this is the valve body, and this is the new model. And you can compare these two valve body, the size a little different. This one is a little bigger because this valve is aluminum body, but this valve is copper body. So this is a little different, but this part is same. This part is same. And you can see this model is add a wireless receiver and a remote controller. So this model is a remote control. This model is remote control. And this model only have one power cable. So this model is power control. But we can change. We can remove this wireless receiver box. So this one will become the power control. Means when you connect electricity, then this valve will open and jet. Now we make a video to show you these two models, the jet difference. And this gas in nozzle is same. This one size is same, and working for the 8mm size gas pipe. This is 8mm. Push inside, and when you charge the gas, you push this nozzle, push this one. You can see this one can push. Then you pull out this gas hose. This Confetti machine, the body is same, the jet pipe is same. Only this valve is different. Only this valve. And according our testing, this model jet 5 meter, and this model jet almost 6 meter, 1 meter higher. 1 meter higher. And now we see the gas charging to the 5, and this model charge to 5, almost the same. So now we add the paper inside this jet pipe. Make a round one paper, make a round one push inside, and now we see the jet distance difference. Now we add the paper inside this jet tube, and this model we use this manual controller to make it jet, and this one is remote control. Now let's see the jet, the distance difference. Now I jet the first one, jet this one, push this button to make this machine jet. Now let's see the distance. Now let's press the remote controller for this one. So we can hear the jet sound. This one is jet sound is bigger a little. Now I make this machine jet again, and he press this manual controller to make this machine jet. Then I press this remote controller for this machine, make it jet the paper bowl. 好呀 hit that wall. Almost hit the wall. So, but from the jet sound, we feel this model jet almost longer or higher, 1 meter almost. This is one.